10 Tips for Malaysia Digital Nomad. 1. Thriving in KL. Uncover Kuala Lumpur's online income avenues.
2. Breathe easy, work easy, balancing nomad life in Borneo. 3. Sun, sand and savings. Monetize your beachside bliss in Malaysia. 4. Cultural riches, digital profits. Navigating Penang as a nomad. 5. Tea plantations and techie gains. Cameron Highlands hustle. 6.
Langkawi dreams, PayPal streams. Island hop while you earn.
7. Historic nomadism. Trading in Malacca's past for online gains. 8. Mountains, monsoons and money. Digital nomad guide to Genting. 9. Borneo's wildlife and Wi-Fi. Jungle pockets for online success. 10. Rainforests to riches. Tap into Malaysia's digital nomad secrets. Click the link in our bio and follow us to stay updated.